Welcome to Motorola Google Apps training on installing software. This is your first of 3 major steps preparing to move to Google Apps, and there are categories: installing software and preparing Outlook. This video covers installing software. As a reminder, we're moving to Google Mail because it lowers our cost structure, integrates with our great new Android phones, increases your inbox size by 500 times to 25 gigs, and gives you access to your email from any PC, work or personal. As a reminder, Google Mail is different, just like the Motorola Q is different than the Click or Droid, and there are pros and cons to either technology. We think you'll find on balance that the new technology that Google Mail offers is similar to Android and provides a superior experience. You should take this training if you want to prepare for moving to Google Mail and you use Windows XP. There are 2 objectives for this training. The first is to show you how to download the software, and second, install it. As a reminder, we do have a PDF document that you can download from googleapps.mote.com which details all these steps, so you don't have to take notes during the video. First, let's cover how to download software. You go to compass.mote.com/go/gprep.exe, standing for Google Prep. Again, this is in the documentation you can download from our website, and when it asks you, do you want to run or save this file, go ahead and click on Save. Now we're ready to install the software. You want to double-click on the file to run it, and you'll notice some balloons like the one shown here in the bottom of your screen. As it installs several different pieces of software, we've bundled it into one piece for you, but it's doing many things behind the scenes. When you're prompted, go ahead and click on OK to restart your computer. When your computer restarts, it'll ask you if you want to install these certificates. You should click all 3 boxes on the left that you trust this CA to identify websites, etc., and then click on the OK button in the bottom right to install the certificates. When Firefox opens for the first time, you can click on Cancel on Import Settings and Data in the bottom right here. That's because we've already set it up for you as part of the install process. We have another question for you about certificates. You again want to check all 3 boxes on the left and then click on OK. Lastly, Firefox will ask you if it should be the default browser. You want to deselect the box that says Always perform this check when starting Firefox, and then click on No. To review, you've downloaded the software and you've installed it. As a reminder, we have a printed guide that goes through these steps in more detail that you can find at googleapps.mote.com. Thanks again for preparing in advance to move to Google Apps. We have found with the over nearly 2,000 Motorolans using Google Apps today that the preparation steps make your conversion to Google Apps far more seamless. Thanks again.